Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you determine the Lewis structure for PO43 minus ion. It has a chemical name of phosphate ion, and to determine its Lewis structure we are first going to find out the total number of valence electrons for this molecule. So we have one atom of phosphorus and 6 atoms of oxygen. Apart from that, as there is a -3 charge over here, it means it is accepting 3 additional electrons to attain this structure. So we are also going to consider this. So in total we have 32 valence electrons for this molecule. Now here, as phosphorus is less electronegative than the oxygen atom, it will take the central position and all the oxygen atoms will be arranged around it like this. Once you have done that, we can place a bond between phosphorus and oxygen atom to show a bond, and then arrange the remaining electrons around oxygen atoms. Here each oxygen atom will have 6 valence electrons apart from these bonds, and we will complete the total of 32 valence electrons by drawing this structure. Now this may seem as a relevant and accepted Lewis structure for phosphate ion, but hold on. Phosphorus is a group 3 element and it can have more than 8 electrons in its octet, and hence we have to check if the formal charges of all the atoms in this are as per the charges given over here. So for calculating that, we have this formula. Now phosphorus has 5 valence electrons, out of which 0 are non-bonding and all 8 of them are bonding, and hence we have a charge of +1 for phosphorus. Similarly, if we calculate the formal charges for oxygen atom, we have 6 valence electrons, out of which 6 are non-bonding and 2 are bonding, and we have a charge of -1. Now if you place all the charges, you will see that the end result we are getting is a -3 charge, which is fine because we do have a -3 over here as it is accepting 3 electrons. But in Lewis structures we try to come up with structures in which formal charges are as close to 0 as possible. Here we are going to try that this phosphorus atom has a 0 formal charge, and for doing that we need to shift a pair of electrons from this oxygen atom in between this phosphorus and oxygen atom. Doing that, we might have a 0 formal charge on phosphorus, and it could help us to attain a good Lewis structure. So doing that, if you calculate the formal charges now, phosphorus will have a formal charge of 0. The oxygen that is forming a double bond with phosphorus will also have a formal charge of 0, and the rest of the oxygens that are forming single bonds with phosphorus atom will have a charge of -1. So in total we have a charge of -3, which is fine because we already have -3 charge over here. And now this is the Lewis structure of PO43 minus, as these 3 oxygen atoms have -1 charge and both this oxygen and phosphorus atom have 0 formal charges. So this is the Lewis structure for PO43 minus. Whenever there is a molecule in which an element belongs to period 3, or the elements are such that they can have expanded octets, always go ahead and check the formal charges and try to draw a structure in which the formal charges are as close to 0 as possible. And hence this is the Lewis structure of PO43 minus. For more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.